So today I get for talk about two of my favorite artists. Them we are gonna talk about DJ YT, graduate from high school, and then we are gonna talk about Chanel Muir with a message so she not write no more song for nobody.
Now write no more song for no artist. Listen when I start it, so true me now fuck them want come bench me. Oh my for write song for big top artists, and yet still my blood clot pocket them empty.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, someone want to send a big shout out to DJ YT. So she posted these pictures on her Instagram. She never said much still, but you don't need much of an explanation. We can see that she graduated from high school. And we see some other students from the Martin Bay High School. So we know, say, yeah, graduation go on. So congrats to DJ YT. So I say, big up yourself. A time to take on the road now. I want to say a full charge in the music thing now. Or maybe she go look into other things. I don't know. But would I work on music? You see what I say? So big up DJ YT, congrats. I'm glad for sister you make it, you know what I mean, graduate high school, and welcome to the whole new world. You see what I say? So big up yourself, you know what I mean, enough love and enough respect, are just more blessings we are sent for you. So people get in the comment section and send her some congrats, you know what I mean, big her up for me, please me I beg you. Alright, so let's talk about our next bad artist. People, my money depend on the artist, yeah, you see what I say? I will take my life saving and bet on the artist. If the artist are not bad, no other artist not bad. You wanna know me I talk about Chanel Muir, people are the baddest things in sliced bread, gingerbread, pound cake, everything. And today me I go try to break it down and show you why she's so bad and where she draw her inspiration from. Right? And we also go talk about her message what she have in her song, right? She have a next song where she preview. That's what she said on the video. She said it's a preview, meaning say it no record yet, or you know what I mean, a record but it not release. But that one yeah is a direct message, and I don't know how she work with the direct message thing. The last time I showed her one song where she had talked about the people, Emma said she forgot do her body and she actually put in her music. So that she said she not gonna come argue with nobody, she not gonna throw no shades on social media, she gonna sing a song. And people she sing another song and I talk about the artist them where she do tune for, or the artist. I don't know if a them are one artist, right? And then I want pay up, she not get no royalties, and she says she not do it again. You see me? So me go show them clip there, and then we are gonna reason about why she's so bad. So here goes.
Baby, I'm a better than the rest of them. Full of style and the whole lot of mess of them. Me now write no more song for no artist. Listen when I start it, so true me now fuck them want come bench me. Oh my for write song for big top artists, and yet still my blood clot pocket them empty. Me now call no name. No say you plenty, I 1 to 10 about 20 of them. Big top shot I saw plenty of them dear. Me ask for your friend you feel said that right, you know me stop right, them can't ask me again. All the one them no stop. Dead people, he make chatbot. I never chat about the time when I keep all my rhymes on my flow. Feel like say people know you take me for real puppet show. Who you feel right? And I know me can't say me do a pussy will give me royalties. There's a lyrics and touch, I'ma bring punch rain and touch, I go fling better. And me I tell them, please stop fuck around me door. Me have all of my receipts, them for sure. Think they fuck up my mind, I'll pay for the rhymes. Bumba clack, give me a answer.
Well, I know people, it look like Chanel Muir try to spear somebody, you know. She not giwy. You see me, I say, I feel like one time she actually record the song, she got talk the things them, but in the little freestyle preview, yeah, so, you know what I mean, she a skip over and I say, oh, you think actually right, and she cover her mouth, so we don't know how she song, but I hope when time we hear the record, we can know how she attack, you see what I say? So she left this open to speculation, so me I go ask, if you don't know who she attack, who Chanel write song for, and them nah pay her royalties, who thief Chanel song, who, you know what I mean, used to power with Chanel just because her lyrics them and thing. If you don't know who put in the comment section, you see what I say? But people should sing one next song now. The next song, yeah, it's just regular song still. This not nothing to do with nothing. But with us, you know what I mean, a Chanel Muir, and how can you not enjoy a Chanel Muir video, freestyle, you know what I mean, even song, anything what she do right now, people, may I tell you, is a go right now. She a win people and she not stop with no time soon. We can see that. You see me? So, me I go show you the next video. So here goes.
Me no really have the time of day for trace with a girl. Me not prove no badness to nobody. Them no bad, them smell bad. Every girl walk out from you well bad. Yo, walk out cause a bad girl something. Roadside chick that a bad girl something. Oh, girl man inna me oh. Hey, walk out cause a bad girl something. Rebel with a cause that a bad girl something. Oh, girl man in ABF. But you not like me, oops, I know my concern that. And anything your man buy, me must earn that. Centric make gimmicks, you see the car on my drive, hey. I your man tax return that. Chew my tick up and find it, I beat them body for the trend. Then I'm a Louis V bag. Run up in a this, cause I'm a gun up in a this. Headshot, me no miss, little girl, hey. Walk out, cause a bad girl something. Proud side, that a bad girl something, oh. Girl man inna me, oh. Hey, why go cause a bad girl something? Alright then, no man never left me yet. Me got the pussy with the glam that I get you upset. Oh, my can back up penetrate. Me make coffee, me something never jam. Careful, oh, your step though. Girl, if your pussy never kill a man yet. Grab up your butt because your pum pum not haunted. I'm in a listen when a girl I make a tread. Cause I be a bad man, my par with. So walk out cause a bad girl something.
Someone always a wonder, how come Chanel Muir so bad? How she so lyrical, you know what I mean? Where she draw her inspiration from? And then it just hit my people. Cause when she up on the live after she done DJ, she start play some song. And you would expect Chanel Muir just play one bag of Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean? Or play some 6 music maybe, you know what I mean? She did play them there a couple times well, so you might expect say that, but no. Guess what she draw for? She draw for some Gregory Isaac. You see what I say? She draw for some Bob Marley. She draw for some Jack Cure. You know what I mean? And then it hit me and me and say, you know, say, Chanel grew up and listened to a wide range of music, and that's why she's so talented. She even listened to Kenny Rogers. She have her go-to Kenny Rogers, the gambler, you see me? Where she play more while pan live. And people, a whole heap of song me hear she listen. Me hear she a sing Bob Marley, you know what I mean? Me hear she a sing even Coffee song the other day. You see me I say? In other same live here, she a sing Coffee Lockdown. She just play the rhythm and she sing the song. So people, you can see say she's a fan before she's an artist. Or she equally loves singing music as much as she loves listening to it, right? So that's a big deal when it comes on to musician, because you have to have people who inspire you. You know what I mean? You not copy them, you know, but you see what them do and do it better or do it in your own way. And if you have a mindset like that or an attitude like that or approach like that, you can't miss. And that sums up how she's so bad, people, and she only gonna get better. I'm gonna ask, wait till she start do some one drop tune and she start work with some other bad producer. People, me just a wait and see. Remember me telling you, you know. You see me? Remember me telling you, man. It a go great, man. You see me? But people, me I go wrap up the video this. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting, right? I want to big up on yourself. Make sure you send some congrats to DJ Whitey. And if you want to know who Chanel Muir talk about she write song for, and them not give her royalty, you know, comment that as well. So, I want to big up on yourself. Stay safe out there and do the right thing. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.